Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about identity operators in Python. So basically identity operators are divided into two types, which is and is not. So is and is not. So these two identity operators we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, we have to create a file, right? We have to create the file. The file name is, go to the documents and go to the Python programs, and here you have to save it. Identity operators dot py and save it, right? So first of all, we will give some object. So I'll give some apple, and after that I will give banana, right? So after that I have given the same thing, apple and apple and banana, right? So we have given two objects x and y, right? So now I will do z is equal to x. Z is equal to x, right? So now I'll print x is z. X is z. X is z. So we are initializing the x object to the z object, right? So x is z. X is z. So let's see whether it will come whether it will come true or false. It's okay and save it. It will give true because both the objects are same. Because the same object as x. So that is the same object as x. So that's why it's giving true. For example, if I give print x is y, x is y. See here x and y are same, right? So same object, right? Same object, right? But now see what will come. It will give false. It will give false because x is not the same object as y. X is not the same object as y. So the property, like inside the properties are same, but it is not. But it is x is not the same object as y. So even if they have the same content inside it, but it is not same object as y. So I hope you understand. And the next one is x is equal to y. X is equal to y. And save it and click on OK. It will give true. Right? It will give true. So in this way we can use it. Right? If we copy this object into the other variable, it will give true. And if we compare, like we are having the same content inside it, both x and y, and if we use is identity operator in between them, it will give false because it is not the same object as y. X is not same object as y. So I hope you understand. If we initialize the object into the another variable and if we compare it, it will give true. Or otherwise, if we compare the x and y, which is having the same content, it will give false. And if we do equal to also, it will give true. It will give true. So why I'm using is equal to, right? We are discussing is and is not, right? So which is, it is to demonstrate the difference between is and equal to. So this comparison returns true because x is equal to y. This comparison returns true because x is equal to y. So I want to tell you the difference between is and equal to. Is and equal to. So is will check the object and equal to will check the whether all the things are equal or not. So that's why I have included equal to, right? And the next one is having the is not. For example, print x is not z. So it's reverse. It will give false. It will give false. See, we got false. It will give false. And if we use print x is not y, it will give true. It will give true. See, we got true. We got true. And if we print x not equal to y, and save it, click on F5, then we got false. Then we got false, right? So I hope you understand what is identity operators. So it is, I'm saying x is not equal to y. It's false, right? So that's why we got false, right? So I hope you understand the is and is not identity operators in Python. And if you have any doubts on these operators, identity operators, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.